So hi YouTube and welcome to my channel, Kingsley Hair Company. I'm just about to do a quick demo on how I put my closure wigs on. Okay, so let's begin. It's the middle part, so I'm gonna actually part it in the middle. I really don't like that straight back pattern for middle parts. I just don't think it looks right. So, oh, what is this? So we're gonna part in the middle. Kind of straighten it out. Now I don't have to be a million gazillion braids, but my hair is thick, so I do a little bit more because I want my hair to lay flat. Okay, make sure the perimeter braid, I always say make sure that one is small. Well, I'm gonna say not too big, not too small. And I got little rubber bands that's actually holding my ponytails. Got those from the dollar store for $1, maybe $1.02, something like that, but $1 basically. Okay, let's break this down. Okay guys, so this is my end product. I really like it. It's really cute. It's very different for me to wear color. Like, this is my first time. I know I'm too grown, but you know, first time really wearing color, and that's when a color so bright. Like, I'm gonna have to put on my lashes, earrings, and make sure I'm so cute for tomorrow. But thank you, and I'll see you guys later. I really like it. I like it. I really love it. Maybe I'll straighten it. I think I will be like totally in love if I straighten it. But for right now, it's just gonna be some curly hair. And I found different ways to style it and whatnot, but I like it. It's a little bright up here. I didn't think it'd be that that blonde. I was going for it, but I still like it though. Maybe it looks super bright in the light, but you know, it's not gonna be this bright outside, so I think I'm good. So bye guys, thank you for watching. Send me some lashes or something. Bye. So I just customized my wig. So hey YouTube, this is my wig after I straightened it with this flat iron I brought from Kingsley hair company. It's straightened my hair like really straight, and this was a water wave wig. I bleached the top, and I absolutely love this wig. I believe this is the wig I want for my birthday if I don't change my mind within like a week. I'm in love. I'm in awe. I really feel like this is my first time with like a trendy color. I see all the girls do the little two trends right there. So at this moment, I feel like I'm gonna sing it to you. A whole new world, a whole new place. Cause my hair is that cute. I love my hair. I love my hair. I love my hair. I love my hair. I love wigs. I like glueless wigs. I don't like the glue. So yes, this wig is glueless. Pow. So yeah. And if you're in my area and you know me personally, and you know, well, you don't have to know me personally, but if you want to be one of my clients and you need your wigs to be laid like this, and like it's coming from your scalp, hit me up. And thank you for watching. And my long behind process with this wig, it is a long process to make it look like your scalp, but it's all worth it because I am so happy. But this was my church get up today, looking like a wife. Okay, bye YouTube. I'll be back with the next video. I'll probably order me another wig. Just a straight, well, this is a closure wig, but this is a closure water wave wig. I want me a closure body wave wig. So that's what's next.